dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Tirupati Naik presenting you on CNC course. So I am a director, business coach of Parametric Solution Private Limited Company located at Thane West. Our USB is wisdom, satisfaction and happiness, and certified ISO 9001-2008 company, affiliated with ITS, that is Indian Technical Education Society, Mumbai. We are a member of TISA, Thana Industrial Small Scale Association. We are proud to be a member of ISRE, Indian Society for Heating, Refrigerating, Air Conditioning Engineers. Also, we are a member of IGBC, Indian Green Building Council. I am now explaining brief about CNC, stands for Computer Numerical Control, a professional engineering course. Dear friends, in our teaching, we have a faculty in our local language, like in Maharashtra, Hindi, Marathi and English we teach. When you learn this CNC course, and it's very important to take a safety and precautions on CNC machine. Human safety is the most important. So always use hand gloves and spec. Safety of handling tools, safety of handling equipments, right way to operating in CNC machines. What is CNC? CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which runs for manufacturing and production of various industrial machines, then various two-wheeler parts, four-wheeler parts, then train, aeroplane parts and aviations to be done on CNC machines. A CNC programs, which is written in G&M code program to create a required shapes and size. In CNC program, the CNC works with the help of servo motors. CNC operator who decides and adjusts the various machine parameters like feed, speed, depth of cut and step over cut, depending on the type of job, and controls the slide movements by programming codes. Like example, a lathe turning CNC machine, VMC milling machine, wire cut, routers and grinding machines, etc. A basic component of CNC system are like a programming, machine control unit and processing equipments. Conventional milling machines. For the new beginners, we train them first on the conventional machines, which is a manual operating, that is for example a pantograph machine. Once they are able to work on conventional machines, then we train them on CNC VMC milling machines and lathe turning CNC machines. Topic: programming on CNC lathe machines. We train on different control panels like Fano control, Siemens control and Haas control. If you learn on the Fano control, is a industrial unique machine. The various topic we cover is face turning, outer diameter, inner diameter turning and step turning, radius turning, taper turning, thread cutting operations, stock removal in turning operations like G71 code, and stock removal in face turning, that is G72 code, will be covered as an CAD cycle. Also we train a main program, sub programs, a pattern repeating cycle and finish turn, that is G73, G70 code, and threading operation, CAD drilling cycle, CAD grooving circle, CAD drilling cycle G74 code, CAD grooving cycle G75 code. Finally, we teach multiple operations in single drawing or single program. A total extra 25 exercise, the assignment would be done, and around 15 topics are covered in CNC lathe machines. The next topic what I am covering is programming on CNC VMC milling machines. Here also we train on FANU control, Siemens control, HAS control, etc. So we use various G code like G0, G01, G02, G03 for profile milling and counter milling according to various coordinate systems like absolute coordinate system and incremental coordinate system, Cartesian coordinate system. The use of pocket milling, use of circular radius cutting for R, I, J, K parameters. We train main program and sub-programming on milling machine. Using a cutter radius compensation for G40, G41, G42 code, use of drilling operations G81, G83 code. Also we train on programming of various alphabets like C, N, C or A, B, C. Pattern repeating milling program, so called as a CAD cycle program, also be covered in this course. Use of rotation system program, use of mirror system program, use of scaling system program. We will teach you various tools for CNC milling machine and lathe machines. Selecting cutting parameters, selecting tools parameters, also factors affecting the lathe and milling machines, along with like various inserts like CNMG, VBMT, CNMG, various inserts will be covered in this course. What is the plane selection in CNC machines? In CNC machine, there are different planes to be used for while creating a program. Like G17 code is for milling machine, G18 code is for lathe machine, and G19 code is for slotting machines. What is workpiece 0 setting in CNC machines? For G code, G54 to G59 codes will be used for workpiece 0 setting. So dear friends, after completing the entire syllabus of CNC, you may ask that what is the growth plan in CNC? The growth plan is for after completing CNC program, you become an CNC operator, CNC programmer, job setter, become a supervisor, become a manager. You can start your own business. During the course, we provide the study material to you. Duration of the course is 3 months, and every day 2 hours training program will be conducted at our office, as well as the practical will be conducted in our workshop. Dear friends, there is a 100% growth in CNC industry. Dear friends, after completing your successful course, conducting your examination, we issue a certificate. The sample is here. Who can join this course? A 10th pass, 12th pass, graduations. Any engineering discipline in ITIA, a diploma and BE students. We train a corporate training, so any professional person also can join this course. After completing a CNC program, we assist for job placement. Hi, I would like to show some picture here. That's the CNC lathe machine, CNC VMC milling machine, workpiece and tool holders, job and tools. Some more jobs here. Instruments, inspection table, our successful diploma batch, celebration with our students, interview skill and personality development program. If you have any doubts, ask the questions. The contact number is here. Visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press bell button. For more information, see our YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video.